Hello guys, welcome to another video. Sorry I haven't posted of late. Been just observing the market as the market took a turn. If you've been active on the previous videos, you could tell that I was a buyer in on the VIX50 1S index. But however, I've seen some slight changes, which is telling me otherwise that price might likely head in the seller's direction, as I've seen sellers step into the market. So on the monthly time frame, we can see that price has been overall bearish, but at 15,000, sorry about that, at 15,000 level, that is this level, 15,500, price found a support, which has made price to be ranging for about a year now, getting to a year after this month close. Is to be a year that price has been in a sideways market on the monthly time frame. So you can see the 15,000 price had support there, this level. So now what can I see? I can see a potential evening candle evening candle forming. As you can see, we had this bullish candle, we had this indecision candle last month, and now depending on how this candle closes, if it closes bearish, then we'll have an evening star, which will signify to us that price will be heading lower to the downside. That is on the monthly time frame. So we should be depending on how this market closes, this month's candle closes, we should be expecting a lot of sales by 2025. Anyways, that's by the way. So on the weekly time frame, I could see that because since I was a buyer, this was the information I was getting from the market: higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher high, potential higher low. But price attempted to go above to create a new higher high, but it couldn't. So it started forming lower lows and lower highs, and you can see this inside break fake out pattern here. Price went up, tried to attempt that level again, but could not, and I started pushing down. However, on the daily time frame, this is what I observed. I observed that price was heading higher, higher high, higher lows, higher high, higher lows, higher high, higher low, equal highs, lower low, lower high, higher low, equal highs, and then price will start dropping from this level just like that. So what I could observe is that we had this pause in price, equal highs, and then we have a second equal high. This is structure in structure. Sorry about that. And yesterday we had this bearish engulfing, which I tell you that price normally likes to test the 50 to 60% Fibonacci level. So I plot my Fibonacci from the previous yesterday's swing candle, and you can see price is about 50 to 60%. You can see that was a very bearish engulfing candle, and yeah, price went to test the Fibonacci level 61%, and price has been dropping ever since. So what can we see here? You can see double top neckline retested. This should have been a very good entry, but this didn't happen during our entry session, so we should be looking for sales. But if you got in here, that's very good. You can hold price till, let's see, you can hold price neckline, this, you can hold price till this target. So how do we find our entries? As usual, we go to daily time frame and plot the psychological levels which we use to get into the market, and target the next psychological level, which is our support and resistance. So what is the most important psychological level I can see on this chart? I can see 22,500. 22,500, that's where price stopped. Yeah. You can see 22,000. Yes, 22,000, 22,000, 22,000, and I can see 21,000, 500, 21,500 at about that level. I can see 21,000, 21,000. So these are the most important psychological levels at the moment. We can go further to plot one more level just to see 20,500. 20,500. 20,500. Yeah. So these are the most important psychological levels I will be focusing on. And if price should take out this low, we will likely see more sales in the year 2025. But if price comes and bounce off this level, we could potentially be seeing more buys. So, however, this will be the deciding point. That will be around 19,500, 19,500, 19,500. Yeah, 19,500 will be a deciding level if price will be bearish or bullish from next year. So let's just see the immediate entries we can get into. So personally, for me, I can see the price was heading higher. To draw our trend channels, you can draw a trend channel just like this. You can see that one was broken. This one trend channel just like this. I think yeah, that would be a perfect place to place our trend channels. Just about a week there. Yeah, so you can see price went up, was respecting the trend channel, and then broke. So this current trend channel is being respected, was being respected, then it broke, retested, and now it's heading to the downside. So we haven't seen an entry, or waiting for an entry window, which is normally 3 a.m. my time. You can look at the time by the left side of my screen. You see it's currently at 12, so let's give it a couple of hours. Let's say like about 3 hours from now, we'll be able to spot an entry. So you can see the charts are looking clean. You can see this price was heading higher, broke, went up again, now it's going to break. So we are looking to catch this move, yeah, and yeah, this kind of move we are looking to catch it here. So that is entry. A good entry for us would have been at 22,000, but then it didn't happen during our window, so we're gonna wait. Well, for me, I would love price to at least go back to 22,000 again, but I'm not really sure that will happen. But then let's see how the candle closes in a couple of hours. We can get an attempt of price trying to get to 22,000. We can get an attempt of price trying to test 22,000 again. I would love to sell from this level, but however, if price just continues to drop, I'll get a sell limit at around here. I'll wait for price to pull back a bit, then get a sell stop here. Target this 21,000. That will be a 5,000 pips, and I'm done for the day. So that is it for the last trade we took was a loss. However, before we took that loss, we had buys here. I saw price coming. I thought price would stop somewhere around here and head higher again, but that didn't happen. I set my buy stops here. Price went, tagged me in, and then dropped, stopped me out somewhere around this level. And I saw price just taking a series of downtrend, but I'm not sure this level will be tested again. But if it's tested, that will be really good, because I was racing like this is the second time price is testing 22,000, so that is to show that sellers are really at this level. So if price should get to this level again, we will likely see very impulsive sales. So that is it for it. That is it. And you see price basically came and stopped at this area. So in 15 minutes you can see how beautiful that structure was. Double top started dropping, and let's see what price will give us. And that's why I love trading, because every day is different, it's unique. You're always coming, you're always on your toes. You're not comfortable, not too comfortable. Of course, you can be comfortable with the chart, but you can't really tell what next price will likely do. So we're having sales for the meantime. Let's see if price can break this low, daily lows, we will know how to plan our trade for the next year, 2025. 2025 will be a very great year. So that's it for it, guys. Peace. Thank you.